Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, small sized onion, half cup chopped carrots, half cup capsicum, half cup cabbage. Saute them for 5 minutes. Make sure that you don't overcook them. Add salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Adjust as per your taste. Half tablespoon of chili flakes. Saute them for another 2 minutes. You can try this recipe for your kids. Instead of giving your kids a plain omelette, you can try this veggie omelette. As we all know that veggies are loaded with minerals and vitamins. Now in a bowl, take 4 eggs. Add the fried vegetables into it. Pinch of turmeric powder. Mix them well. Now let's make omelette. Pour the omelette onto a pan. Slightly spread it into a round shape. Add some ghee. Now just flip it over carefully. Now our veggie omelette is ready. It is perfectly healthy and tasty. Sprinkle some pepper powder. Kids love to eat this veggie omelette. Try this wonderful recipe at your home and even make your kids to eat the veggies. Serve it with dal rice. It goes perfect. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.